going on, Jose? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SCEO. So we're going to take a quick look here, see what we can find and see what we can do. So right off the bat, I think it's kind of clever that you have that Hillsboro, Oregon thing kind of scrolling across the top. It's kind of like a news anchor thing. Is the number a click to call though? It is. Great. Excellent job. You have Facebook, Instagram, Google. I don't know what that is, but that's cool. Home about services. The only thing I have to say about the services, it's not a drop-down menu. You definitely would want that. Portfolio, contact, that's fine. Free estimate, great. Get a free quote, good. Fixed rate promise, cash rate, perfect. Okay, so I mean, that's, oh, sure, but that's okay. These are great. I don't know. People get weird when you just talk about money very quickly. Who you're about, new color, new adventure, new memories, excellent. I love that. Our services, perfect. Okay, light remodeling, residential painting, drywall, more services, gutter cleaning, gutter installation, power washing. Excellent. So you have a whole bunch of different services. Great. The one thing I don't see here is content, right? These lead you to new pages, but you definitely, are they all on one page? These are all on one page. You always want separate pages for services because then you can individually rank for each page instead of it being muddled together. That's just step one. So, but anyway, you always want content. Content is key when it comes to Google ranking. Right here, you got a lot of pictures. That's great. I love pictures. Covered 25 miles around Hillsboro, our services. So, okay, this should be in that drop down menu, because I don't know about light remodeling, but I don't know what light remodeling really means per se, but um, let's just say that you want that in your drop down so people can see it clearly, move on to the next thing by picking the page they want, read a brief message about it, and then move on to the next thing. But let's take a look behind the curtain, right? I'm using a tool called Ahrefs. It lets me kind of see how Google looks at you guys. And right now there's no ratings for you simply because the site might not have been up for a while, or it's just been a really long time since you've changed anything here. But you're not ranking across anything. So we'll start off with what a keyword is, right? A keyword is what somebody might put into Google to find what they're looking for. And it could be anything, right? I'm looking for a nice steakhouse. I'm going to put in steakhouses near me, Spring, Texas, whatever it is. And it'll give me approximation with a map, kind of like it does down over here. But this is how we create Google Ads. It's location specific. So I know the person lives in the area, but it's also service specific, which means they're looking for this specific service. So we can create a good Google ad with that. But here we have, painters. We got, this is your GMB. Now you do want to be in the GMB, right? 30 to 40% of all people who search for anything will click on one of these three websites. So you definitely want to be in here. If you're number 4 or number 28, no difference. You're not going to be seen. But then we have our organic search. Anyone, can rank here as long as you do have a website. We got Angie's List is number 1, Hughes is number 2, and Pacific Coat Painting is number 3. So let's take a look. So they got vibrant coloring here, but they kind of just put it all out there what they do. Now these are links to individual pages, which is good, which means they will rank for each individual page. They have a call now, they have request and estimate, which is good with the CAPTCHA. And then they have all of these interior, exterior, commercial stuff. And these are links again to other pages. Then you have a little bit about them. So they have a lot of different words in here. They have content, which you always want content. So going through, not too bad. I'm not going to say that, they're doing great because they can always do more, but they're not, obviously they're on the top. So they're doing extremely well with this. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see why. So a UR rating is how strong their website is. A DR rating is how much Google trusts them. And you want these in 30s and 40s. So they're not too far off with either of them. Now, the way you get these up is with backlinks. So they have 920 backlinks right now. And basically, a backlink is where you have your website link, pacificpainting.com, somewhere else where somebody can click on it. And a referring domain is when they return to you. It's when, you find let's say on BuzzFeed, right? And you click on a link there and it leads back to this website. So that's kind of what a referring domain is. And think of backlinks as your networking system. So if let's take you for example, right? You have a great friend group. They're very encouraging. They're good friends. They're loyal. That's going to elevate you more versus, you having toxic friends. So you definitely want the ones that elevate you. But one of the most important things is having the right keywords on your website. So like I said, a keyword, you want them to be location specific and service specific. So like this one, Portland painting, 500 people a month search for that. He's getting 75 of them. because he's on position number 3 of Google, right? So when you're in the higher positions, when you're in like 1, 2, or 3, you'll get anywhere between 10 to 20% of all search volume for that. And these top 3 keywords right here are bringing in 1,600 people a month looking at these 3 items. And he's bringing in 220 of them because he's in the top ranking for Google. And something like this, putty knife versus scraper, I don't really care about that. You wouldn't want to rank for it because anyone in the world can type that in. You definitely want to make sure, again, it's service and location based. Now, he's ranking for a lot of painting stuff, but you can also rank for gutters. Gutters Portland, right? That's a whole nother search volume that you can get. So the more types of keywords you have on here, the more chances you have of ranking. And that's exactly what we want. Oops, I did not mean to click on this. But how does this really all help you out, Jose? Honestly, it's very simple. All we got to do is we got to get you content. That's step number 1, right? We got to get the right content in there. Google really loves content, about 1,500, 2,000 words per homepage. Every other page you can do less, like maybe 750, maybe 500 words. I would do 750. And then we got to find the right keywords to fit inside of there. So if we're talking about interior painting, we'll have a lot of keywords that talk about interior painting. And then on top of that, once we get the content and the keywords in place, we start working on backlinks. Now, the great news is these guys over at Pacific Coat Painting, they have already a whole bunch of really good backlinks that we can look and then add additionally more on top of them once we're done. And then you're good to go. Imagine if you yourself can bring in an additional 100 people a month through your website. What would that do for you? Well, that's all I really got for you. If you have any questions, Jose, please let me know. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.